Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Atrix Ergo Pro Backpack Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile cleaning tool that promises to tackle everything from office spaces to hard-to-reach areas with impressive power and portability. With its compact backpack design, quiet operation, and an 8-quart HEPA filtration system, this vacuum claims to deliver both performance and comfort. Let's see how it stacks up in real-world use. The Atrix Ergo Pro is equipped with a powerful 1400-watt motor, producing 106 CFM of suction. Pretty substantial for a vacuum that's meant to be worn. In layman's terms, that means it's pulling up dirt, dust, and debris with force, whether it's from carpets, hard floors, or upholstery. This high level of suction allows for deep cleaning, especially in commercial environments where performance needs to meet heavy-duty demands. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its 8-quart HEPA filter bag. This is a great addition for those with allergies, as it traps fine dust and particles, preventing them from being released back into the air. If you're dealing with asthma or seasonal allergies, that HEPA filtration can really make a difference in the quality of your indoor air. In terms of capacity, 8 quarts is sizable for a backpack-style vacuum, meaning less frequent emptying during your cleaning sessions. As for its build, the Ergo Pro is surprisingly lightweight considering its power. At just 19.25 pounds, it's easy to wear on your back, making it less taxing than traditional heavy vacuum cleaners, especially for long cleaning sessions. The design is ergonomic, too. No awkward straps or uncomfortable harnesses, so you can move around with ease. It's not a bagless vacuum, so you'll have to replace the HEPA bag, but given the amount of debris it can hold, this is a minor inconvenience for most. Now, let's talk noise levels. At 72 dB, this vacuum operates quieter than the average conversation and much quieter than many other vacuums. That means it's a solid choice for noise-sensitive environments like offices or shared spaces. The quieter operation allows for cleaning without disrupting your work, whether it's in a lobby, hallway, or open-concept office. Real-world performance? This vacuum shines in a variety of environments. Whether you're cleaning carpets, hard floors, or getting into tight corners with the Crevice tool, the Ergo Pro does it all. I tested it on a range of surfaces, from fine dust on hardwood to embedded dirt in rugs, and the suction power was consistently strong, lifting debris efficiently without needing multiple passes. It also handled stairs and upholstery without a hitch, thanks to its lightweight design and convenient hose and wand attachments. Speaking of attachments, this vacuum comes with a full range of tools designed to make your cleaning tasks more efficient. The hose and wand are long enough to reach high areas, while the specialized tools for carpet, hard floor, and upholstery make it versatile enough for various applications. If you've ever struggled to clean high ceilings or ledges, the Ergo Pro makes that a breeze with its comfortable backpack design, leaving your hands free to maneuver. However, there are a couple of things to consider. The 72 dB is quiet, but it's still noticeable in certain environments, especially in quiet offices or small rooms. Also, while the vacuum is built for commercial use, it's not as maneuverable in extremely tight spaces compared to a traditional canister or stick vacuum. If you're looking for something that's easy to carry around small apartments or in narrow hallways, this backpack design might not be the most convenient, but the strengths outweigh the weaknesses for anyone in need of a powerful ergonomic solution for large spaces. The 1400-watt motor and 106 CFM suction ensure that you're getting deep cleaning on a variety of surfaces, while the HEPA filtration bag is an essential feature for anyone sensitive to dust. With the Ergo Pro, you get reliability in both residential and commercial settings, without the bulk of a traditional vacuum. In terms of value, the Atrix Ergo Pro is priced on the higher end, but it's a solid investment if you need power and portability in one package. For commercial spaces or homes with significant cleaning needs, it's definitely worth considering. But for smaller apartments or homes that don't require the heavy-duty specs of this vacuum, something more compact and less expensive might be a better fit. Looking at competitors in the market, the Ergo Pro holds its own, especially for larger homes or commercial environments. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option for home use, Vacuums like the Dyson V15 Detect or Shark Apex might offer a comparable experience at a slightly lower price point, especially if you're after something that's a little more flexible and easier to maneuver in tight spots. Build quality on this vacuum is solid. Its materials feel robust, and the backpack straps are comfortable even after extended use. That said, it's always worth considering the cost of replacement bags and filters over time, which can add to the long-term maintenance cost. Cleaning the brush roll, emptying the bin, and clearing any blockages are all easy to do, though the HEPA filter requires some care to maintain its effectiveness. The Atrix Ergo Pro doesn't require much in the way of customer support, but if you've ever had to interact with Atrix, you'll know that their reputation for reliable service and warranty handling is solid. If you're considering this model, it's clear that it's best suited for those who need a powerful vacuum that's both portable and quiet. Ideal for people working in commercial settings, it's also a great option for anyone who frequently deals with high-traffic areas or needs to clean hard-to-reach places. The lightweight, ergonomic design makes it a solid pick for anyone who wants a commercial-level vacuum without the bulk of traditional models. Thanks for watching. If you're considering the Atrix Ergo Pro backpack vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box. Feel free to share your experiences if you already own one, or ask any questions below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning isn't just about dust, it's about keeping your space fresh.